quality of the German porcelain was founded.
The raw materials for the production of porcelain, silica, feldspar and china clay, are mixed according to a company-owned formula and are then finely ground, water being added during the process. The result is the raw body, which is then extruded to clay rods. This step is the basis for the production of quality porcelain by Seltman Weiden. A slice of ceramic body is cut from the rod, pre-shaped and inserted into the plaster mold. The body is shaped by a steel template, the so-called roller. With the right now formed article is automatically transported to a dryer where part of the water of the body evaporates. After that, the item can be removed from the mold and travels through a second dryer. The production of cups and mugs is done the same way. In addition, every cup needs to have a handle. The handles are produced by a casting process and get fixed to the cup body by means of applying thick porcelain slurry. Plates of high quality are produced by dust pressing. The raw material for this process is spray grain. This powder is filled in a two-part steel die whose inside is coated with plastic, and the powder gets compressed to a plate. Coffee pots, creamers and sauce boats are produced by a casting process. For the mold can be taken apart and the item can be removed. The coffee pot taken out of the mold allows you to feel some of its beauty to come. Oval platters, square platters are produced by the pressure casting method. The split mold is made of porous plastic. The slip is pressed into the mold, surplus water escapes through the pores, and the item is built up between the halves of the mold. The first firing, the so-called biscuit firing, gives the items the necessary strength for the following glazing process. The glaze is composed of silica, feldspar, dolomite, lime and china clay. The items are dipped in a watery suspension of the glaze, either by machine or by hand, and get coated with a thin layer of glaze. The items obtain their final properties like strength, translucency and brilliance during the main firing. This firing takes 6 hours and the maximum temperature is 1450 degrees centigrade. High-grade decorations are often refined further, for example by applying gold as band, lined or staffage. The porcelain painter uses a high-grade gold compound. Another refining procedure is the spraying. Ceramic colors are mixed with water and finely ground to achieve a suspension ready for spraying. During this firing process, the colors sink into the glaze, obtain their brilliance and service performance, and get dishwasher proof.
Accomplished porcelain, artfully handmade, supported by modern technique. Precious pieces of immortal quality are formed in Germany.